Hi everybody, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. This is an attempt number 2 on our flip-flop that I'm trying to make. So I made a modification to the pattern. As you can see, I've got a line drawn here. So I'm going to keep this on the pattern. I'm not going to cut it on the pattern itself because I can draw it on to the glass itself. So I've got a left side and a right side. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to use some blue glass, blue cathedral clear glass. That way the sun can shine through it very well. And I think what I'm attempting to do here is make this like a Suncatcher, but something maybe you can hang in off your rear view mirror or something of that sort. I think I can get a piece out of this one first. Try to reuse some glass as I'm experimenting with different things. Now we'll flip it over and we'll do the right side. All right, now we'll go ahead and cut these out. Do is I'll grind all the way around this first, and then I'll come back through and cut through and then grind those pieces. All right, now we'll go on over to the grinder. Okay, we're back. I went ahead and I was able to get these taken care of, the top. You see they kind of line up pretty good. I want a little bit of a gap so solder will get in there and kind of strengthen that up. But overall looks pretty good. And then there's the right. We'll go ahead and clean them up good and then start the foil process. There was one thing we forgot. We got to have a small little notch on each one to allow the braided wire to kind of go into, so that way we can solder it on the other side. What we're going to do is we're going to use this bit right here. Turn this around.
Here I'm just grinding in the notches. Now we can go on to foiling.
All right, we're back. Now we're ready for the foiling step. All right, well, now we'll go ahead and do the soldering. Okay, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and start soldering these pieces together. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna bead this up yet. I wanna go ahead and tin all the way around this other area, and then we'll switch over and do the braiding of the tinned wire. Gonna give it a chance to cool down, and then we're gonna do the tinned wire now. Okay, we're back. I'm using some of this artistic wire. It's 20 gauge tinned copper wire. So that way it's easy, it's very malleable. You can shape it pretty good. Instead of just one single wire, I'm actually going to cut this in 3 strips, and then I'm gonna braid it together. You wanna twist the end together when you're doing this to attempt to hold it together.
Now that I have them twisted together, I took a high impact wrench and attached it to a screw up towards the top there, and then spun my drill till it twisted it and braided the 3 wires together. There was some decent textures. You have a few that have a little larger beads, but that's okay. It turned out good.
Then what I want to do, I'm actually going to take a little flux, put it on there, and I am actually going to solder this at the ends. The reason I do that just to make sure that it doesn't decide to unwind itself. The solder will keep it together.
I will now speed up the video through the assembly part of the straps to the sandal.
Once I get these soldered in on the side here, we'll actually put some hobby cane inside to kind of give it a nice edge border all the way around and just up on the inside. So, okay, we're back. We're gonna shape this here real quick.
Here we are seam edging around the sandals. I will go ahead and speed up through this portion.
All right, we're back. I've got it all cleaned up. I was debating whether or not I was going to do a black patina on it or just keep it silver, but I've decided I'm going to go ahead and do a black patina on it, so we'll go ahead and get started.
I have cleaned all the excess patina on and then putting a coat of wax on now, and then we'll buff it out completely to a shine. Well, here's the finished piece. I hope you like this project. Ensure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.